Good morning, Acosta. It's Sal with Bridgewater Chevy here. Here are the two Colorados I was telling you about. This one right here is a 2019 model year. Has about 30,000 miles on it. Standard with our 3.6 liter V6. This one has a standard bed on it, so the bed will be a little bit longer than the short bed, but it is a crew cab. Running boards. Tonneau cover. Leather seating. Charging ports in the second row. All-weather floor mats. Power seats for the driver. Leather steering wheel. It's also heated. There's your radio screen. Plus more. And then the other truck over here is going to be another 2019, a little bit more miles, around 70. Running boards down the side, as you see there. Power seats, all-weather mats. This one has a tonneau cover too. Both these trucks are four-wheel drive. So, let me know what you think. Plus, here are some Silverados that I have. This white one is an RST. Red one's an RST, this black one is an RST. This blue one is another RST. Got a ton of them here. Good pricing, good mileage, good condition all the way around. So as you can see here, we got about, a dozen trucks to pick from. Plus I have some more that you may like also. So please let me know what you think. Give me an opportunity here. Sal with Bridgewater Chevy once again. Thank you.